Welcome to JRMSweeps. Super excited about doing a product review here on these wireless Bluetooth earphones from TREBLAB. Let's open the box up, check them out. Okay, so right off the bat you can see it comes in a very nice case, very compact. Included in the box is a set of the TREBLAB xGO earbuds. You get 3 sizes of the silicone ear tips. You get the USB micro charging cable. You get a portable charging case, which is great because you can get 12 additional hours out of your earphones by charging the case up, and you get the user manual as well. Let's talk about some of the features here that these earphones have. The new earbuds are Bluetooth 5 capable. You can see that the design, they're nice, compact, super sleek. I will tell you the one feature that I do love about these earbuds is the fact that you can get 15 hours of playtime out of them. You get 3 hours out of the earphones, and then you get an additional 12 hours of charging time from the case itself. That is amazing. The earphones are also waterproof, which means that you can use them outside. Even if you get a little bit of light rain, that's okay. What sets these earbuds apart from all other earbuds is the fact that it has a multi-function button on each earbud. It has an on-off button, has the play pause button. You can do the next or previous. You can receive and cancel calls. And then it also gives you the option to access Siri or the Google virtual assistant. Absolutely awesome. I will tell you that the sound on these earphones is absolutely amazing for the price. You get awesome bass. You get crisp treble. Go out and get you a pair. They're absolutely amazing. When you get the earphones, you're going to see a small little piece of plastic here that's covering up these 2 little connection pieces. You're going to need to remove that so that way they can get a good charge. This is what it looks like when the case is completely charged. You see the 3 blue indicator lights are full, and you have the 2 red lights indicating that the earphones are charging from the case. When you pull the earphones out from the case, they automatically turn on. You can see right here, and it's searching for the Bluetooth device. All you have to do is go to your Bluetooth settings and just select the TREBLAB xGO earphones, and they will automatically connect. Another great feature is you can actually pair the TREBLAB xGO Bluetooth earphones to your TV. That way you can watch TV and you don't have to worry about disturbing anyone around you. And you can see right here it's connected to our smart TV. I totally recommend these earphones. I put a product link in the video description to either order from Amazon or from TREBLAB.com. Thanks for watching.